Hi, this is Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you how to make the Vodka Tonic. You'll find this being drunk on most patios and porches every summer globally. Really easy, let's get into it. Take 2 of your fanciest glasses. We're going to pop them filled with ice. One at a time. Always one at a time. And you want to do a good, big, healthy 45 ml of Absolut Vodka. Then we're just gonna quite simply fill with tonic water. If you're gonna use 2 ingredients in your drink, make sure the 2 ingredients are the best quality. Perfect tonic and amazing vodka. Just to take away the bite, we're gonna just add a nice little squeeze of lime. The Vodka Tonic. Let's take a sip. The best drink to drink on your porch any time of the year.